Living in the desert means living with air this dry. Dry air does more than just discomfort. It ages your skin, weakens your lungs, and even harms your plants. Introducing a smarter solution, the Coolpex Pro Ultrasonic Humidifier with self-refilling technology. Delivering up to 38 liters of hydration a day, Coolpex fills your room with clean, balanced moisture. Enjoy ageless skin, healthier air, thriving plants. With smart control, your personal oasis is just a tap away. The world enjoys balanced humidity. Now it's your turn. From desert dry to globally ideal, 60% comfort at home. Coolpex Pro. Breathe better. Live healthier.